What is up, guys? I am back and I have a new video. So today I will be putting on new Fender flares, and it's just pocketed Fender flares, but let me open it first, see how it looks. Alright guys, so this is how the Fender flares look. Just pocketed Fender flares, that's the hardware for it. But so it's black right now and it's ABS plastic. It's black. There's no paint on it. Therefore, I'm going to put this also metallic black. But I thought since it was like Fenders, let's make it look a little rugged, so textured metallic black. Yeah. Unlike the other black on my Fenders, which is just metallic black. This is textured. Alright guys, so here's how this looks. It's really shiny. A lot of metallic, basically. But yeah, it looks really nice. So I'm just gonna let this dry right now. And yep. Alright guys, as always, once you're putting on the new Fenders, you want to clean off this surface. I'm just using some alcohol right there and a rag to clean off the surface, because before, oh man, it was so dirty. It was insanely dirty. But surprisingly, the paint is really good still. For like a 1997, the paint is like in perfect condition. But it's going to be covered by my Fenders anyways. So yeah, remember to prep it up first. So here is how that Fender looks. I didn't put it up there yet, but I put it on the other side already. So the bolts that it came with were just like regular black bolts, but I'm pretty sure they're not stainless steel. And plus, I didn't want it to rust in the long run, so I went to Home Depot and I bought some stainless screws along with some washers. So the reason why I didn't use the washers that were included is because these washers are silver, and I think that they would give a better, it looks better, because look at that contrast. If it was just all black, I think that would be boring, but if it had like the silver screws, then it would look a little better. Here, I'll try to zoom in for you. So that's how that looks. Here. So that's all around. I think it looks really good. And plus, I painted the Fenders metallic black with texture just to make it look a little more rugged. In the future, I'm going to paint these too. But I also painted my snorkel while I was at it. It looks awesome. And yeah, I just think it looks really nice. So I'm going to be putting on this now. Oh yeah, so these are really cheap Fenders. I know, don't give me hate for them. But yeah, these are really cheap, but I got them for a really good deal, like 80 bucks. But yeah, 80 bucks, and it came with all of the Fenders. The holes aren't going to align properly, so you might have to drill holes. For my case, I didn't really have to drill any holes, but I had to like really maneuver everything around. And that's just, that's just how it is. But let me just put this on. So here is the finished product for the Fenders. Ignore this, I'm just doing another project that you'll see later. Here are the Fenders. Here's the Fender back there. And stay tuned for an update video for my whole entire Jeep, because it's going to look really different.